I am fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I can see so many children with their cameras off. Why so? Are you not ready for the class? Huh? Samarth, Jaiswal, Tejas, Kanha, Vikram, Athar, Vayun, Vayun. What's that name? Vayun Rajput. What's that?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very good, Athar. Very nice.
Ma'am, it's Vayun Rajput.
Varun.
Morning, ma'am. Vayun.
Vayun. Very nice. Lovely name. Vayun.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Vayun. Who else is not putting the camera on? Let me see. Prasam Gangwar. So cute. Okay. Let me come across other new faces. Sarthak Gangwar. Show me your face. Sarthak Gangwar. Let me see your face. Very nice. Okay. Dakshita. Vikram.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Samar, Saransh, Anvi, Karthik, Shaurya Pratap.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, this is the book of TK.
Show me. Where are you? I can't see you. Who is speaking? Wait. There are so many children on my screen. I can't see who is speaking. I can only hear you. So many. Okay. Yes. That's the book. See. This is the book. Can all of you see? Yes? Okay. And listen, children. Do you have this book? Your English comprehension book? All of you have? Yes.
Cover is changed. Yes, ma'am, we have. The chapter is changed.
Is this the book? Reader, English literature reader.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very nice. Okay. How many of you do not have your book?
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Try out. That's
Ma'am,
a
why
good thing.
didn't this? Ma'am,
Beta, English
Ma'am,
comprehension book. Have you got this book in your book set? Your English
but
comprehension?
excuse me, ma'am, my cover is clean, but I not have this.
Okay, show me which book do you have for your English comprehension. I can see Akshita
Ma'am, I
is
have
showing
not-
something. Akshita, Logman comprehension composition.
Ma'am, I have no comprehension.
Which comprehension? Show me on the camera. Okay, everybody has got that green color book, right? So that means this is not the correct book, the one which I am having. Okay. Very nice. Now all of you keep your books down.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good.
Copy. Ma'am, this is the English comprehension book.
This is the English. Okay, beta. Okay. I will look for the correct one. I don't have this book.
Comprehension notebook, na?
Yes, comprehension book. Now, Rohit Singh, Aryan, Sarakshi, Samar, Karthik, Shaurya. Beta, why isn't your camera on? Why can I see that you are sitting?
Ma'am,
This is your English comprehension book, and the blue one is your GK book. Okay? I am going to take. I am. Yes. Yes. Okay, who is this girl? Tria. Tria. Tria, open your camera. Show me your face. Who is Tria?
This type of GK book we have to read.
Now listen, all of you will keep quiet or I will just mute you for 5 minutes. Okay? All of you mute yourself. Very nice. Okay, everybody now listen to me. I am going to take your GK and your English comprehension. Is that fine? Show me a thumbs up. If you understand and you're okay with it, say yes. And if you don't understand, show me this. Anybody who wants to show this, thumbs down. No, very nice, wonderful. Okay, so today, this is your GK period. In your timetable, which period was it? It was your GK period. All of you know it? Yes. Now, how many of you don't have your books? Raise your hand. Okay. Those who do not have their books, raise your hand. Very nice. So I can see a few of you who do not have their books. So beta, when will you buy your new book set? Now let me unmute you. Yes. Kalpit Gangwar and Jasleen Kaur and so many others who do not have their books. When are you going to buy your new book set? Beta, can you unmute yourself right now? See, can you unmute yourself? No? Okay, unmute. Now see, now check, can you unmute yourself? Yes, now you can unmute yourself. Children, please check. I have changed the settings. Just check, can you speak now? Can you unmute yourself? Okay, type in the chat box. What is there? Let me see. No. Aksa Sheikh is saying no. Allow participants to unmute themselves. Now see, can you unmute? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful.
Yes, okay, ma'am.
So I can see there are 4 or 5 students. Good
Now we
morning.
can use. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
very nice. There are 4 or 5 students who do not have their books. So what are those students going to do? They will make a new copy or they can do this work in their rough copies. Let's just try to do the first chapter that is given. Which is the first chapter that is given in your book? Rest all of you can open your books to page number 5. All of you just open your books to page number 5. Yes, GK book. This is your GK period.
Copy, 2 set copy.
Better just write it in your rough copy. Okay? Right now, write it in your rough copy. Those who do not have their books. Yes. What is the name of the chapter, Aksa Sheikh? What is the name of the first chapter?
Ma'am, water animals.
Okay.
Water animals.
Can anybody tell what are very nice? What are water animals? Can anybody tell me?
Water animals.
What are water animals? I don't know.
Water animals live in water.
Very nice.
Water animals are those animals which live in water.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. Can water animals live on land also?
In water.
Can water animals live on land also? Can they live on land?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What will happen to them? What will happen to them if we take them out from water?
They will die.
Yes.
They die.
They will die. Now, all of you write down today's date on this chapter. And rest who do not have their books, please write down water animals as your topic in your rough copy. I will type in the chat box. Children will see from there what we are supposed to do. Okay. What is the date today?
Ma'am, we have to write
And
it
we have to do a
on
notebook or book. Today's 2021.
2020. Wonderful. Okay, listen. Those who've got the book will do it in the book. Fine. Those who have the book will do it in the book. Those who do not have the book will take out their rough copies to do this work. Yes, beta, say. Yes.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to make GK copy with one side plain and one side lining.
No, you don't have to make any GK copy. GK work will be done in your GK book. Right now, those who do not have their books will do it in their rough copies. And rough copies you will make according to your choice. Fine. God bless you, Gargi.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, this book.
Which book? Why can't I see you? Which book? Who is showing me the book? First of all, tell me your name.
Ma'am, I am Priyamesha.
Beta, there are so many children on the screen that I am not being able to locate where you are. Priya, what is your name? Priya.
Priyamesha.
Priya. Okay, Priya is right in the center of my screen. Priya, show me what you're showing me. Yes. Yes, beta. Yes, this is the one, Priya. What?
Ma'am, this book.
The blue book named Memory Magic. All of you please see my book. See my book. All of you can see me. Right? Now don't ask me, ma'am, this book, this book. This is the book that I'm talking about. Fine. Memory Magic 3. Okay? Ready? All of you are ready? Now, beta. Yes. Let me get my pencil. Yes, beta. Say. Yes. What?
Memory Magic is which book?
GK book. Memory Magic is your general knowledge book.
And this.
Who is talking? No, 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 no. This is not the book, beta. This was the book that was used in previous year. It was being used in the last year. Now, today, sorry, this year, this session, we are using this one. This one, okay? Akshita, where did you get this book from? Did you get it in your new book set? Or you took it from somebody of class 2? You took it from somebody, okay, beta. So the book has been changed. Now you will have to get this new book, okay? Just write down the name of your book and show it to your mother or your father. This is the book that we have to use. Now all of you have written today's date on this chapter, water animals. Everyone has written? Yes, those who have not written, hurry up and write. Okay, who will read out the first line? Let's have Arav Bhatnagar. Arav Bhatnagar.
Can I?
Sit straight. Yes. How are you supposed to sit in your class, beta? Huh? And all of you try to sit on a chair from tomorrow. Okay, don't sit on your beds. Is that fine? Your posture should be absolutely correct while studying.
And I am sitting on the chair.
Yes. How do you study when you come to school? You use table to keep your books and you sit on a chair, right? So you should have a table chair while studying at home also, with your back straight.
Table and wooden chair.
Yes, with your backs absolutely straight. Okay, wonderful. Smart class, huh? Very nice students. All right. So who will read out Arav Bhatnagar? I told Arav Bhatnagar to read it. Do you have your book, beta? Arav Bhatnagar GK book hai aapke paas? Yes, wonderful. Wonderful, beta. Wonderful. Yes.
This has 5 arms.
Beta, now listen. You have to follow this rule in your online class. When one child is speaking, all others need to wait for their turn to come. Okay, don't start speaking in between. How will the teacher listen to so many students at one point? Huh? So when one child will speak, all others will wait for him or her to finish. Yes, beta, say. What are you saying?
This animal has 5 arms. If one of its breaks off,
No, not this, Arav. From the beginning, see, you have missed 2 lines on the top. How do you read? First of all, you call out, you speak chapter name. What is the name of the chapter? Water animals. Like that. Okay, start reading from there.
Water animals. Water is the home of animals. In fact, there are more animals living in water than on land.
Okay, stop. What does it say? Water is the home of many animals, right? Isn't it? It is a home to many animals. Many animals live in water. In fact, what is the fact here? That there are more animals living in water there than on land. Did you know this? That on land, the number of animals is less. While in water, there are more animals as compared to the ones that live on land. Next, what is the question? Arav Bhatnagar, read out.
Write clues and write the names of the water animals in the box. Take help of the pictures.
Okay. Okay, stop, beta, stop. Read the clues. What are clues? Anybody knows what are clues? What is clue? Read
Then
the
can I tell? Hints.
Very nice.
Hints.
Yes. Read the hints. There are hints given to us. So we have to use these hints to fill in the boxes, to fill in the blanks. Sorry. Now, who will read the first? Aradhya Sharma. Aradhya Sharma, read out the first one. Do you have your book, beta? Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
All right, wonderful. Read out the first sentence.
This animal has 5 arms. If one of its arms breaks, it can grow a new one.
Can anybody tell me what animal it is?
Octopus. Ma'am, it is starfish. Starfish. Ma'am.
Okay. How many? All of you know how to type in the chat box, right? All of you know?
Yes.
Yes. So type your answer. How many of you feel that starfish is the correct answer? How many of you feel octopus is the correct answer? Let me know. Let me see how many of you type the correct answer.
फिर यहाँ पे जाए मोर पे क्या चाहिए अब यहाँ लिखो स्टार लिखा लिखा बंद कर दिया
Okay, so many answers in the chat box, but the correct answer is starfish. Starfish has got 5 arms. Which fish has got 5 arms? Starfish.
मैंने बोला तो
Okay, Triya will read out the next sentence.
यहाँ
This animal has 8 arms and 3 hearts. It can change its color.
Okay, which is that animal? Octopus. Yes, octopus is the correct answer. Octopus. Next, let me have Prasang Gangwar. Prasang Gangwar, read out the next sentence.
This is the world biggest fish. It weighs as much as 40 cars. Weight as much 40 cars.
It weighs. It weighs. Yes. The correct answer is shark. It is the world's biggest fish. There is no other fish bigger than a shark.
Ma'am, blue whale also a big fish.
Which is also a big fish?
Blue whale.
Yes, that is one of the largest mammals. The largest water animal. Then, what is the next one?
Ma'am, can I read?
Aksa. Okay, Aksa, read.
This animal looks like a horse, but it is a fish. The male has a pouch in its belly. Ma'am, seahorse. Seahorse.
Wonderful. It is a seahorse.
Seahorse.
Good.
Ma'am, seahorse.
Very nice.
Ma'am, seahorse. मैं भी करूँ कि मुझे भी रीड करना है.
Then, let me have Pranjal Gangwar now. Pranjal Gangwar, are you sitting in your school uniform?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful, beta. Very nice. Everybody clap for Pranjal Gangwar because he is the only one sitting in the uniform and taking his classes. Pranjal Gangwar, you can give us a very cute small smile also, beta. While everybody is clapping for you. Huh? Where is your smile? Anybody else who is taking classes in school uniform?
Can I read?
No, beta. I am asking Pranjal Gangwar to read. I called out his name, no? Pranjal, do you have your book, beta?
Yes.
Okay, read out the next sentence. Read out. What happened? Beta, unmute yourself.
This animal looks like a shark, but
A snake. A snake. This animal looks like a snake, but okay, this animal looks like a snake, but it is a fish. It is very slimy. It is very slimy. Yes, double E-L. Eel. Very good. Okay, the next one. Sixth one. Shlokdeep Singh. Shlokdeep Singh. Do you have your book? Beta book? No? Okay. No problem. You have it? All right. Then we have Gurkaran. Gurkaran, do you have your book? Gurkaran?
Yes.
Yes, very nice. Read out the next sentence.
These animals gives use to sleep.
This animal gives us costly pearls. This animal gives us costly pearls.
Pearls live in a shell.
Yes. What is that animal?
Oyster.
Very nice. Oyster. Very good.
Oyster.
Then next. Let me have now. Ansh Sen. Ansh Sen will read out the next sentence.
This is the most playful water. It is also very
It is also very intelligent.
dolphin.
Very nice. Wonderful.
Dolphin is the smartest
Dolphin is the most playful water animal. It is not at all dangerous.
And the smartest also.
Yes?
And the smartest also. Ma'am, it's a friend. Dolphin is the smartest aquatic animal. Dolphin is the very smart and cute animal.
Cute animal. Okay, dolphin is very smart and cute. Very nice. Okay, Avika Agarwal. Now Avika Agarwal is going to read.
Ma'am.
Yes. Raghav Negi. Raghav Negi. Raghav Negi. Can you open your
Dolphin
camera?
is the
Raghav Negi.
smartest pet animal.
Very good. Now, Raghav, I want you to open your camera. I want to see your cute face. Come on, show me. Yes. Why is your camera off, Raghav? Huh? Open your camera and sit like this in the class. Okay, don't put it off.
And which page?
Which page? Who is asking me? Rudransh. Are you asking me the page number? Beta, page number 5. Okay.
5.
Yes.
In
Now-
comprehension. When can I read last one?
Yes, Avika, please wait for a minute. She's asking, Rudransh is asking me something. Yes, Rudransh, what are you asking?
Comprehension.
No, beta, no, you have joined the class so late. The class is about to get over now. We are doing GK. This is your GK period, no? We are studying GK right now. Fine? And we have done this chapter, water animals. We are on the last sentence now. Yes, Avika, read out the last sentence. Where is Avika now?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
This animal looks like a flower.
Yes.
Animal.
Very nice. Sea anemone.
Animal.
Now see. At the bottom of this page, now there are 2 facts given. So,
Can I
Athar
read the
Singh.
fact?
No, Athar Singh. Beta, Akshay, you've already got your turn now. Now let me give chance to other students who haven't got their turn. Athar Singh, read out the first sentence. What is given here? In the end, Froggy speaks. What does the frog speak? Let us listen.
This animal is
Beta, can you see at the bottom of the page that purple block? A starfish has many. What is written? A starfish has many. Okay, Ayush. Ayush, do you know where I'm talking?
and starfish
Yes, read Athar.
and starfish.
No, beta, you're not getting what I'm saying.
Ma'am,
Okay, yes.
ma'am, what?
Beta, I'm telling you to read out
Ma'am,
the
what?
last block of this page. There are two sentences given at the bottom of this page. Froggy speaks. Can all of you see what I'm talking about? Right at the bottom of this page.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Samar Tikyani. Samar Tikyani. Beta, do you have your book, Samar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read out the last two sentences. Froggy speaks.
It is the most playful water animal. It is also very
No. What are you reading? Who knows what I'm talking about? Tell me. Okay.
Ma'am, I.
Bayun Rajput. Bayun, read out. Hurry up.
I'm starfish. Ma'am, I also.
Everybody will be quiet.
Starfish has many eyes at
Everybody mute yourself except Bayun Rajput. All of you just mute yourself. Yes, Bayun, read out.
A starfish has many eyes at the tips of its arms, but it has no head.
My
Seahorse
But
is the
stop,
slowest moving fish.
stop. Did you know that starfish has got 5 arms and it has many eyes on the tip of its arm? Did you know that before it? Even I didn't know. It has eyes, many eyes, and it doesn't have any head. Which fish doesn't have any head? Starfish. Okay.
Starfish.
Very nice. Now let me have Ayush. Ayush, can you read out the last sentence, beta?
Ma'am, seahorse is the slowest moving fish.
Okay. Seahorse is the slowest moving fish. Which is the slowest moving animal on land? Which is the slowest moving animal on land? Have you heard of snail? Have you heard of a snail? It also moves very slowly.
Yes,
Have
ma'am.
you heard of a sloth? SLOTH. Sloth. Sloth is also. Yes. So in water, which is the slowest animal? It is
Seahorse.
seahorse. It moves very slowly. Okay. Now on the right hand side, on the right hand side, just see it is written. Tell me. Tell me. Now what are they asking? Who will read out? Aryan Chandra. Aryan Chandra, read out the last question. On the right hand side, the green blocks.
Water animal.
Which is the biggest water animal? Tell me.
Then dolphin. Dolphin. Dolphin.
No.
Shark.
Blue whale. Yes.
Shark.
Who said blue whale? Raise your hand. Who said blue whale?
Blue
Very nice. It's a blue whale. Very good. Write down. Write it down there. Blue whale is the biggest water animal. Okay. Now everybody please check. Have you got the link for your next class? Let me send my link for the next class. Okay. Just wait. Mhm. Better mute yourself and then call your Papa Ji. All right, children. So this is what we have for today. I hope all of you have done this. And those children who do not have the book, don't worry. I'm going to click a picture of this page and I will send it on your class group. Okay? So that you can do the work later. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Thumbs up. Where is your thumbs up? Okay, wonderful. So now let's say bye to each other and get ready for our next class. Say bye.
Bye, ma'am.
And see you again in the last period. Again, you have your last period with me.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
Beta. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.